In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview your Squarespace site. First, go to your Squarespace dashboard. If you don't know how to access it directly, visit the Squarespace website and click on your profile icon. From there, select Account Dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the website you want to preview and click on it. This action will take you to the home page of your site. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a full preview of your website. You can click around to explore your site as it functions in real time. If you want a larger, more immersive view, click the arrow at the top right corner of the preview window. This will launch your website in full screen preview mode. When you're done, click the same arrow again to exit preview mode and return to the editor view. This covers the desktop view of your website. If you want to see how your site appears on mobile devices, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click the mobile icon located next to the desktop icon. This will switch the preview to mobile view. From there, you can interact with your site just as a mobile user would. Scroll through the content, click on various elements, and ensure everything looks and functions correctly. You can also enter full screen preview mode from the mobile view by clicking the top right arrow, and that's how you can preview your Squarespace site.